Hello children, in this video we are going to study EVS chapter 22, The World in My Home on page number 181. Now children, here we will see the next incident, that is Pillu Auntie. Now children, here let us see what happens in this incident. One day, Pillu Auntie took Fali and Nazu and their friends to the beach. What a good time they had. They played in sand and water. They went for a ride on a giant wheel. After that, they ate bhel puri and bought balloons. Then everybody enjoyed some icy cold kulfi. Now children, here in this incident, Pillu Auntie, see children, in this picture you see Pillu Auntie, she took Fali, Nazu and their friends to the beach. They had a good time there. What they did children? They played in sand and water. They went for a ride on a giant wheel. And after that they ate bhel puri and bought balloons. And children, then everybody enjoyed some icy cold kulfi. When the kulfi seller asked for money, he made a mistake. He charged for 5 kulfis instead of 7. The children thought, hooray, we have saved money. But Pillu Auntie paid the money for 7 kulfis to the kulfi seller. Now what happened children? That kulfi seller did one mistake and he charged for 5 kulfis instead of 7 kulfis. He gave 7 kulfis but he charged for only 5 kulfis by mistake. Children thought that array, we have saved money. Now, but Pillu Auntie did what children? She paid the money for 7 kulfis to the kulfi seller. Now children, this incident tells us about honesty. We should develop in ourselves honesty children. Honesty should be there while playing or while doing different things in our life. The children will always remember what Pillu Auntie did that day. Yes, of course, they will remember Pillu Auntie for this incident. Now children, if you were to write a different ending for this story, how you will end it? Now children, according to me, I will end it like this. The kulfi seller became very happy and he offered 1 kulfi as a gift, but Pillu Auntie did not accept the gift. This will be my end to the story. Now children, is there anyone in your family who is like Pillu Auntie and who? Children, yes, my mom. She always teaches me not to be dishonest in any situation. Now children, the next question they are asking is, what would the children have thought if Pillu Auntie had paid less money to the kulfi seller? What do you think about this? The children would have thought that Pillu Auntie was dishonest, and I myself would have thought like this. Now children, let us see about the next incident. The next incident is, what should I do? Now children, this is another incident in which caste discrimination is there. Now children, let us see what happens there and what will be the results. See children, Akshay loves his grandmother very much. She loves him dearly too. She talks to him about many interesting things. Anil is Akshay's friend. His grandmother likes Anil too. But one thing that she tells Akshay again and again is that he should never eat or drink anything at Anil's house. Not even a glass of water. They are very different from our family, she says. One day, there was a volleyball match in a big ground near Anil's house. It was a hot day and everybody was tired and thirsty after the match. Anil invited everybody home. Anil's mother gave water to all of them and they drank it. When Anil handed Akshay a glass of water, he suddenly remembered his grandmother's warning. Akshay stared at Anil, not knowing what to do. Now, children, talk about it. What do you think Akshay will do? Akshay will drink a glass of water as he was very thirsty because there is no change in quality of water. Either it belongs to Anil's house or Akshay's house. There is no difference. We all are same. We all are equal in all respects. Now children, but why was Akshay confused? Because the grandmother of Akshay always forbade him to do so. Now children, do you know of anybody who thinks like Akshay's grandmother? Oh, one more question is there left children. Let us see. Why do you think Akshay's grandmother warned him not to drink even water in Anil's house? Because their cultures were different. Now children, the next question is, do you know of anybody who thinks like Akshay's grandmother? Yes, one of my friend's grandmother thinks like Akshay's grandmother. Do you agree with Akshay's grandmother? No, I do not agree with Akshay's grandmother. Do you think Akshay should, what do you think Akshay should do? Akshay should drink water. Now children, who will decide this incident we will see in the next video. Hope you have understood these two incidents. Now children, in the next video we will see from the next part. Till then, bye children.